Yeah guys, as I said before, yeah man Josh creative bad guys. He don't need much to create a content. Yeah man is a little brilliant young man. Yeah guys, from here a little boy I walk them place I can look man going man puppy ever holla back at me and my dog in boy love my yard. Come. Welcome back guys, you know. Your boy Ratty Adventure and Lifestyle. You don't know, yeah man just done some work. Besides I'll give you a little nature walk and talk solo video, you know. Yeah man. So just stay tuned and see me take on the journey, make you know how I go on. Man puppy ever follow back at me and my dog in boy just love my yard. Watch him. Come. Watch it. Anyway, me go today. Yeah man guys. You wanna take on a little journey, you know. My place bush up, you know, from Burial come here. Long time I come up here from them time I come up here from Burial come here. All the jackfruit them are up on the chair. Whole of them beer off. Beer and ripe off and I get none. Tell you. And jackfruit are sweet, you know guys, and jackfruit up on the chair, you know. We just go and stay tuned and watch all go on. Yeah guys, from here a little boy I walk them place I can look mango, you know. Yeah, man, good while now I don't walk come up here. When the storm blow I don't walk come up here, but price too nice man, whole heap of sour sap and mango and them thing. They see the place look now. Just look bush up and thing. And then we can find a sour sap or so. Man, you see, puppy they back coming right through, see him here. Man, dog ever love me. I see him say, I go over St. Vincent, you know. See one dog come over my yard, by Airbnb and just give him one piece of bone and enough stop follow me up. And then coconut here. Last time I come up here, they are not ready to put on young coconut. Young jelly up on here right now. They may never half ready for beer last time I come up here, so. The bird them a chirp and thing. The man nature is lovely. Man, check in guys. First thing I say, big up to colors. Yeah man guys. You look how experience they bring me fun to go St. Vincent guys. I tell you it was a blessing, a real blessing guys. Learn so much the little time I go around them and there's a lot more to learn. Cause colors and ground colors, just being around them and they motivate you to do YouTube because you see how them man they do their thing and I say, yeah man, someone do my thing. See me guys. You must have a big up them man right through because when I look a boy and I used to go outside at night time and see all plane a fly past and I say, Jano, when me I go in one of them there or who in one of them there and blessing come and reach now one. Is it me because of colors and the powers of God, you don't know? Yeah man, reaching now and me I say big up to Knife Ninja. Yeah man, learn a lot from them man because them man we know say you have to talk to your audience. You see me, them man they like talking guys, them man they like break down things and explain things. Yeah man, the man they make you know it from square one, you see me. Yeah man I say big up climber, them man they can see the reflection of colours from them man the experience and knowledge and them man they full of joke, you know, and some man they get trouble a lot when we there around there, you know. Yeah guys, and big up to Josh, you know. Cause them man there can make a video out of nothing. So every time I wonder how him do it, them man they ever a video, me have to say, Josh, how you get video from? Them man they no normal man. Them man they ever make a video. So just stay tuned guys and watch what I go on. Yeah guys, as I said before, yeah man Josh creative bad guys. He don't need much to create a content. Yeah man is a little brilliant young man. Know if you do him thing man. Know if you get what you want. But any little thing him creates up. Yeah man, big up yourself there. Big up yourself Josh. Don't know? What you think go? Yeah guys, take on the journey same way you know. I say I can't find even one coconut or two sauce up or something. I must find something in the bush you know. We can't just walk and talk alone you know guys. If you're hunting you know, you want to pass on the gully you know. Yeah man. Long time in a walk yes man. The place not change at all. Man puppy come in. Cause puppy now left my foot today, no puppy I follow me go. Anyway, me I go you know guys. Man see puppy there forward. Yeah. Forward man. Look like somebody passed through here recently. Okay, I can see him chop out the way. And thing like it black up. Bury the black up the way. Man guy just go and watch how I go on you know and stay tuned. Guys, at one time, I'm long mango tree full of mango in them time. From Sunday past through, everything change up. Just one time a season the mango them will be here. Now only a 2 times. Catch down to December. I would give it a little crop. And then done more nice summer now. Get the real mango crop but storm them, shake up the tree them. See me guys. I want 3 days up so areas of mango in December you know. And the shake up everything. Probably very last shake up more over there too. The bird them a fly and thing. Sound like it's a ringtail that wing sound heavy. You know what this no beer and this always beer you know. No mango. Yeah man, check in guys. Why look at me I could further than this. I place up push up and thing, place up different. Me want to take another walk go a little further but I just don't feel like me I start guys. Yeah man. Yeah guys. You see this YouTube thing you know? And the best thing ever happened to me because I left school at 2016 and we done a cash hustle with my brother me and the other youth them were my age group. Yeah man, down there so me hustle and buy my first phone. Going on a little partner with Charlene. Big up to Charlene, same way. Yeah man, and hustle and buy one phone and name Sky. Your name weird? Sky. Yeah man, up a charge up above me buy the phone there. A little bit after that, when I'm bridging and link me and say them get a work up on other carriage up above beer if they don't want me and them to run it off. So I left from down there so go up so go work. Then after a while I realize me and him realize boss man nah pay me right and he nah deal with the right so one Sunday evening now we say you know say last day we come back up here so and he not see we back from that. Yeah man, him go pass it on the road, him not see we back from that because we not go back up there so and then after that me down my yard for a good little while. Good while me down my yard man and me dey carry on a resume when me da car wash above beer but me did a good while I wait and nah hear nothing from lifespan. Carrying a resume go up a lifespan. And after a while I get a call and I go up to go do interview and me da work up there for a little while. Me da full 5 gallon jug them and some of the time I go inside a machine where they make the buckle. We eat up the buckle and shape it out. Yeah man. But I never da work every day, I just few days few week and after a while I get a call say them a lay off couple of workers them because me just go back to work and then not call me. So somebody tell me say them a lay off some of the workers them because they must in a bankruptcy. I'm not sure if I say it, but I that the person tell me kind of did up there work on the building. So after that, I left from there and me down me hard for a good while. I help me auntie pick chicken and so on, walk up and down, play a ball. Until after that, I start hustle with my brethren named Natty that I'm a neighbor. Him and me and them man there catch crab and sell crab. Do like farming, go mango bush, go pick up mango and sell, pick mango and carry to high gate and so on and sell breadfruit, the same thing. But after a while, I drop that again and move on again. So till I start work with me. I just say I'm auntie husband because a good while now they end together. So I just say our husband. Yeah man, I start work on a farm with him. And him sister me can work and thing, and every weekend I go up to go work with him. Until when I'm bridging, when I'm co-work at them, link him and say if him I know nobody we can clean out sweet pepper farm. And I just few days in the war me out the fan. Him sister me good pan it. We can work and thing. Man keep me out there and me I work right through, right to Friday and then weekend, gone up on my auntie husband again. Every week, right through until I realize say right through because I used to reap all. I work out the right through. But it comfortable and thing man out there nice because the lady do the good and thing, you see me? Never short pay or nothing. So me out there for a good while guys because you see when I wonder how me climb them hill there and thing. That I at least when I climb hill up colours and thing because I used to work, which I used to work out at Rosen. I reap pumpkin out of 2 acre, 1 acre on the other side and 1 on the other side. And I full one of them big feeding bag there pumpkin. I carry out of 1 acre, I reap out of 2 acre them. And I carry that go down on hill. I way before put in a barrow, carry go down on a hill. And let it off right I look a gully there, so I look a gully there. I carry all of them gully, so but the hardest part of it guys, I carry about the empty barrel, trust me, tired it out. Yeah man, so I used to climb on hill and them thing there. So from there so, kinda left out there so because I realized after a while the money need a work out. So I kinda left from out this and they are going to YouTube and I also see them do YouTube until after a while no YouTube. And people used to say, why am I not start my own channel? Why am I not start my own channel? You know, a couple of people that push me to do this. Been a while and then me decide say I go do a little entry video. And I do it and a couple of months I not do nothing else and I see colours. I do a video say you want workers. Say you want workers and things so I showed Papi and then say me don't want a piece of work up there and Papi link colours. And he said I can forward and I tell him say the other morning me I go forward and go up there and there around them go and work and thing and yeah man and then me just make up my mind and say, you know say me I try to get a phone but it take a while before me get a phone because a long time I want to start and hustle up a colours and put the money together with somebody that help me out same way. Then they give me a little piece of food, put that together and then I buy a phone and start the thing. Yeah man guys, it's been a long journey. Years man, years. Now I come so far. Just push up bad man when I say it's clean and this look like a true. The long time farmer them now come so far again. Somebody now really take care of it and then the storm will come and blow down the tree then make it worse. Guys, one little spring used to the right there so you see dry up. Come puppy, come. Dry right up and look how much rain fall the other day. A long time it not come down properly. Come, come. man guys, that was my pass right now. Then what is I say big up to my virgin brother. Yeah man. What channel name? BK roofing something another. Yeah man, him eyes a come on the channel come comment say BK roofing and something another behind that. I don't quite remember, but yeah man, big up to you general. Him eyes a video for me and him eyes behind the camera. Yeah man, big up Auntie P. Yeah man, big up everybody. You don't know? Yeah man, one team, one dream. You know anything go? We out there. Yeah guys, that was my pass right now. I get some blessing and thing, yeah man, from growing colors them and thing guys. I be a blessings. You see me, because me hard working and me willing and me humble. That's how my best. Try my best, stay humble and stay focused and just do the right thing right here. You know guys. Yeah man. It's nice to be around them man because you learn a lot. Tell you, you grow them man there, you learn a lot about YouTube and or if you show love to other people and thing, you know. When you see people need help, if I can help them, just help them out. Them man they help out a lot of people. So them man they deserve them blessing. Them man they work hard for that. Because them man they tell you where them come from and things. So you know say them man they work hard for the way in there. Yeah man, big up all I man them. Josh, Andre, Climber, everybody and big up to the rest of the team them. Rest of the team members them and thing. Yeah man, big up over Vinci. Yeah man, first place that me ever travel. And I hope more blessing come when we can travel again guys. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Stay blessed. Until next time. Yeah guys, right now I head back home and Puppy. Yeah man, Puppy follow me just straight up here, so you know man. See how far? And it's not my dog. Imagine if I did my dog. Man, I take on the journey, go back home now guys. Good look walk, you know. Ooh.
Messing with my head